What if love, in its purest form, is not something to be found, but rather something to be realized? In the heart of a bustling metropolis, under the watchful gaze of a golden moon, our protagonist finds themselves intertwined with Miley in a dance of destiny. Love, like an elusive dream, blooms amidst the chaos, a momentary solace from the relentless pace of life. Yet as surely as the moon wanes, so too does their love, leaving behind a haunting melody of what once was and a burning question. What is the true nature of love? Driven by this question, our protagonist embarks on a journey of introspection. They discover that love is not confined by time or space, but exists within the sacred sanctuary of the soul. It becomes evident that love is not simply an emotion, but a voyage of self-discovery and acceptance. As they delve deeper into the mysteries of existence, they encounter the ancient wisdom of scriptures and divine revelations. Through the epic tale of the Mahabharata, they glean profound insights into the fleeting nature of worldly glory and the enduring essence of spiritual enlightenment. In the midst of life's tumultuous storms, they find peace in the calm waters of devotion and prayer. They seek solace in the limitless love of the divine, manifested through sacred hymns and invocations of grace. Yet, amidst the cacophony of existence, one truth resonates within their soul. The greatest gift is to love and to be loved. For within the echo of a lover's voice, the radiance of their presence, one discovers the eternal essence of their own magnificence. As their journey unfolds, they come to understand that love is not simply an emotion to be felt, but a commitment to be honored. Love is not just about expressing affection, but about embodying one's own divine essence. In the end, our protagonist finds solace in the eternal quest for love. For in the pursuit of love, they discover the essence of their own existence. Love, then, is not a destination, but a journey echoing across the vast expanse of eternity. For love is not found, it is realized. And in its realization, we find ourselves.